question, does it mean that everyone must choose his or her yidam, or that the lama may give a particular yidam to each individual? Answer: in most cases, no. In reality, all yidams serve the same function, and it is not certain that we have a strong connection with any particular one. However, we can say that our karmic predispositions made us meet one of the great orders of Tibetan Buddhism in particular. The same predispositions make us situate ourselves within a framework where we will be led to practice this yidam rather than another. Kagyupas practice 3 great yidams: Vajravahari Dorje Pamo, Chakrasamvara Korlo Demchok, and Jinasagara Gyalwa Gyamtso.